Rolling out of bed, unpacking a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very common and interesting English phrase, roll out of bed. This phrase is used quite frequently in everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English speaking skills. So, let's get started. Roll out of bed is an idiomatic expression in English. Idioms are phrases where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. Roll out of bed doesn't literally mean to roll. Instead, it's a casual way of saying that someone has gotten out of bed, usually implying it was done quickly, lazily, or without much effort. The phrase likely comes from the idea of someone being so tired or unenthusiastic about waking up that they just roll or tumble out of bed rather than getting up in a more traditional, energetic way. It's often used to describe someone's state in the morning, especially if they are not a morning person or in a hurry. For example, I rolled out of bed at the last minute and rushed to work. He's not a morning person. He just rolls out of bed and stumbles into the shower. Let's look at a few examples to see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. In a hurry, I was so late this morning. I just rolled out of bed and left. Feeling lazy. On Sundays, I like to just roll out of bed and read the newspaper. Reluctant awakening. Every Monday, I have to roll out of bed and get ready for school. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, roll out of bed, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Remember, idioms like this one can add a lot of flavor to your language and make you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.